Meaning of high-end.
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 High-end. High-end refers to products or services that are of superior quality, performance, or luxury and are generally associated with a high price point. These products have advanced features, sophisticated technology, and are usually exclusive to a particular market segment. High-end products are designed to cater to the needs of discerning customers who prioritize quality and are willing to pay a premium for it. Examples of high-end products include luxury cars, high-end fashion, gourmet food, and top-of-the-line electronics. Overall, high-end represents the pinnacle of quality and exclusivity in a market.